going to remove the vehicle subframe from this Mazda 6. It's had a front end damage, complete rebuild, reassembly. Right, is that ready to come off?
Yeah.
Do you need help to take that off?
Yeah.
Right, get it ready to come off and I'll get someone to assist you. Is a comparison of the two components that are going to be swapped for each other. So we've got the first subframe, and then we can see the second part of the subframe. We can see the damage that has been caused in the comparison. Right, we're still putting together the subframe. We're using some air tools to get the subframe back together. It's proving more challenging than we initially believed.